Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Jinja Township is a prominent Hakka area in Taichung County. People there mainly worship the goddess Matsu, but a traditional Matsu temple has never been constructed. Instead, the area's 9 villages cast lots to determine which village will first host the statue of the goddess. Eventually, the goddess makes her way around to each one of the villages.
Hello everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka right here on ICRT FM 100.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊哥 Leo。
Hello, 大家好，我係 Joseph Ling, and today we'll talk more about traditions with Hakka people. 今天又要請 Leo 呢來跟我們介紹一些比較傳統的這些習俗好了。客家人在過年的時候一定有一些傳統嘛，對不對？
基本上就來講正月初一的時節哈，要做乜嘅？正月初一就是正月初一的時候呢，
正月初一的 first day, right?
我們要去走春。
走春啊，每一個鄉村去走一走嗎？
也不是啦，
去郊遊，
是走廟啦。客家人哈就會今年哈就會老歲月嘅附近的廟哈全部來給拜跳跳
啊，拜跳跳，
就是把它通通都拜到，
拜透透的。
對對對，希望他在未來的一年能夠保佑我們平平安安的。
Of course, I think that's a very good tradition. Okay, again, they go to various temples and try to get the best out of the coming new year. 所以要會去廟，你剛剛講廟怎麼講？廟。Okay, sounds like a cat meowing, but it's 廟 that's temple. Alright, 其實這樣順便我們來教教說，你知道嗎？你去拜拜的時候 when you go to the temple, you have to bring certain items.
用到那條東西，要用到哪些東西？
對對對，順便教一下。
好啊，做對啦。拜牙號一定要用到香，
that's the incense that you bring. 然後一定會有這個紙錢。
允字
Okay,
我就講金字。
金子金紙也可以嗎？
對，金紙。
See, when you go to the temple, you see a lot of people burning these paper money. That's what it's called.
個人還一定要有貢品，所以古時候人哋會準備水果。
水果，這我知道的。
我就講果子。
水果跟果汁嗎？
就果子。
果子，我以為你帶水果或果汁也可以。
都可以。
Okay, a lot of times when you go to the temple, you see people bringing in plates of fruits, and that's one common thing that they put, at the altar, and then maybe even some meat products. 其實有時候也會帶一些肉品去嘛，對不對？有啊，
會帶雞呀、豬肉啊、鴨髀啊，都會帶。
雞、豬、鴨髀 ，chicken, pork, and duck. Well, I guess today we learned a little bit more about the Hakka culture, about their respects to their ancestors and the gods and goddesses, and may I wish you a very happy new year. That does it for today's Let's Talk About Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺只say張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.